Good morning students. Welcome to our maths class. In the last class I taught you what is rational number and how to write rational number in standard form. And today I am going to teach equivalent rational numbers. Already in the previous classes you would have studied equivalent fraction. First we will see that if 2 by 3 is the fraction, how will you find out equivalent fractions? We will multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. That is 2 by 3 into 2 and in the denominator also 2. So 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. If you want to find one more, 2 by 3 into 3 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. So 2 3s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. The same way we are going to find out equivalent rational numbers. But here in the fraction we are having only positive numbers. Here I am going to consider negative number. So minus 4 by 7. So to find out equivalent rational numbers, what we should do now? Multiply or divide numerator and denominator by the same number. Any number we can use. If you multiply by 1, we will get the same number. So we can start from 2. So minus 4 by 7, numerator by 2 and denominator also by 2. So now how will you multiply? 4 2s are 8 and here minus sign. Here there is no sign, so it is plus. Minus into plus is minus. So minus 8 by 7 2s are 14. Now next minus 4 by 7 into 3 in the numerator, 3 in the denominator. Same number should be written in the numerator and denominator. So now minus 4 into plus 3. Here why plus 3? There is no sign. So minus 4 into 3 is minus 12. 7 3s are 21. Minus 4 by 7. Next multiply by 4 in the numerator, 4 in the denominator. So now 4 4s are 16. Minus into plus is minus. So minus 16 by 7 4s are 28. So if you want to find some more rational numbers, we can continue multiplying by 5 and 10 or any other number. So which are the equivalent rational numbers now? Minus 8 by 14, these are all equivalent rational numbers. So equal to minus 12 by 21, this is again equal to minus 16 by 28 or equivalent rational numbers. If you want to find out again they are equal, we can cancel. We can divide and check the answers. Now if you cancel by 2 table, here we will get 4 2s are 8, 7 2s are 14. So it's the same number. Now again here we can cancel by 3 table. So now 3 4s are 12, 3 7s are 21. Here we can cancel by 4 table, 4 4s are 16, 4 7s are. So now all the numbers are same. And this is of which form now? P by Q. Already I have told you rational numbers are of the form P by Q, where P is the numerator and Q is the denominator. And another one condition is denominator should not be 0. Next, we are going to see how to plot rational numbers on the number line. Now next is plot 3 by 4 on the number line. 3 by 4 is the rational number. First you should draw the number line. The middle 0 and right side of 0 we have to first mark the integers. So right side positive integers, left side negative integers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and here -1, -2, -3, -4. Now for 1 the opposite of this positive integer 1 is -1 and same way for -1 opposite is 1. Same way for positive integer 2 opposite is -2. For -2 this is the opposite. And all the integers will be equidistant. Equidistant means the distance from 0 to 1 and 1 to 2 all should be equal. Now we will see how to plot this 3 by 4. In 3 by 4, the denominator tells us number of equal parts. Number of equal parts. Also this is proper fraction. Why it is proper fraction? Numerator is less than denominator. All the proper fractions are less than 1. All the proper fractions are less than 1. So the 3 by 4 will be lying in between 0 and 1. So in this denominator is 4. So it is number of equal parts. What is the meaning of number of equal parts? The distance between 0 and 1 should be divided into 4 equal parts. So already this 1 is there. So we have to make into 3. So now see the distance between 1, 2, 3, 4 parts we have divided. And this numerator tells us the number of parts from counting from 0. So now this is 1, 2, 3. So here we have to mark 3 by 4. Now if you want to mark -3 by 4, same way we have to go to the left side. So left side between 0 and -1 we have to mark -3 by 4. So here the distance between 0 and -1 should be divided into 4 parts. So we have to put 3 lines now. So it is divided. So here we have to mark -3 by 4. Let us see the next sum now. 7 by 5. Now this is numerator is greater than denominator. So first we should change into mixed number. How will you change into mixed number? 7 we have to divide by 5. So 1 5 is 5 and remainder is 2. So this is quotient and this is remainder and this is the divisor. So if you write QR by D, we have to write it as 1, 2 by 5. So this number is equal to 1, 2 by 5. Now let us see how to mark on the number line. First draw the number line. In the middle 0, right side positive numbers. So 1, 2, 3 and same way this side 1, 2, 3. Now here we are having whole number part and a fractional part. This tells us where we have to mark the position of this number. That is, we have to mark this number between 1 and 2. So this should be marked within 1 and 2. So between 1 and 2 and this 5 tells us number of equal parts. So this should be marked between 1 and 2. The distance between 1 and 2 should be divided into how many parts now? 5 parts. If you want to mark 5 parts, we have to draw 4 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines we have to mark. So this will be 1. This distance is 2. This distance is 3. And here it is 4. So it is 5. So 5 equal parts we have marked. And what is this numerator tells us? We have to mark in the second part. That is from 1 we have to mark in the second part. So this number is 1, 2 by 5. If you want to mark minus 1, 2 by 5, we have to mark in between. This is, since it is negative rational number, it should be marked between minus 1 and the next number. So minus 2. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So if you want to mark minus 1, 2 by 5, the same way the distance between minus 1 and minus 2 should be divided into 5 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4 lines it is enough because this is the 5th part. So it should be divided into 5 parts. And where will you mark now 2 by 5? On the second line. So this is minus 1, 2 by 5. It is nothing but minus 7 by 5. And this one is 7 by 5. Hope you would have understood. Thank you, students.